In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create or model similar content like Lord Jamal content. It's a Nigerian comedian and content creator. So if you are a newbie and you want to start creating its similar content like Lord Jamal, this is how he achieved those type of shape head and those modulation and embezzlement. So I want you to like this video, share it, and comment on it. If you don't do that, I'm going to embezzle it.
Inside the video into CapCut video editor, click on the clip and locate effect and click on body effect and locate funny faces. Select the type of funny faces and you have the funny face. So another thing is the sound effect. Click on audio, click sound effect. There are many sound effects here. Look for the sound effect, order these various heading, and the one I want is under threading. Guys, this is how to do it.
So thanks for watching. For more content, turn on the bell notification. And if you want to learn how to create viral video for TikTok, Instagram, and also content monetization idea, join our paid course.